You want to promote your CPA marketing offers? Why not just simply try out this platform right here called Pinterest.com? As this is actually an amazing platform you can take advantage of to get traffic to your CPA marketing offers. And I'm going to show you a very unique strategy you can actually use to do just that. And if you do go on to analyzing the Pinterest website based on SimilarWeb statistics, you actually do find out that SimilarWeb actually gets, or Pinterest actually gets, about 1 billion visits in the last 28 days. And if you do keep on scrolling down to the bottom section, you'll be able to see the country that actually do visit this particular website the most, which is actually the United States, Brazil, India, Russia, Colombia. But if you do take note that the United States actually gets the most traffic, about 38% come from the United States. So this is actually an amazing platform you can actually use to gain traffic to your CPA marketing offer. And I'm actually going to walk you through how you can do just that. So do stick on, watch this video to the end, learn this simple strategy and go on to utilizing that. So the first thing which you actually do want to go on to doing right here is to register for a CPA marketing platform. And I'm going to use CPA Grip right here. If you do click on register, you should be brought to a page, fill out this form, provide your basic details, agree to the terms of service and click on register. And you can then go on to login into your account once your account has actually been created. So you can see right now that I am logged into my account. And if you want to get to a page that will look similar to this, you want to come right here, click on monetization tools, select the URL file locker and be brought to this page, because we're actually going to use the content locking capabilities of this platform. So you want to click on create URL file locker, agree to the terms of service, or you could read through the terms of services right here, click on continue right now, and you should be brought to a page that will look similar to this. What you want to do next is to select the template right now, and in this template section I can actually select the human verification or the captcha template. If I do use the captcha right now, I'm going to head back to general, and you want to edit this section based on your preference. But before you do that right now guys, it is quite important that you get a valuable content which you actually want to lock in your URL file locker, and that should actually be a content that your leads can do virtually anything to gain access to. So to actually get content such as that, I'm actually going to get onto this platform called free or the pdfdrive.com. As with this platform you can actually get free ebooks which you could go on to utilizing right now. So if I actually want to just simply focus on a free ebook on any niche of my choice, and if you do take a look at this, these are actually some cool profitable niches which you could focus on in the year 2023. The digital marketing niche, relationship, personal finance and investing, food recipes, blogging and making money online, and the personal development and self-care niche. So do focus on one of these niche, and supposing I want to focus on the food and recipe niche, I'm just going to maybe come right here to this search section and actually do search for keto diet. If I do search for keto diet right now, I will be able to see ebooks related to that niche. So supposing I do select this ebook right now guys, I can actually do click on download, and this ebook will actually get downloaded on my device. So guys, once you actually do click on this particular section to download this ebook, the ebook will be downloaded on your device right now. And once the ebook has been downloaded, head on to platforms such as mediafire.com, and you want to just simply create an account, log into your account and actually go on to uploading that ebook for absolutely free. If you upload that ebook by clicking on this plus icon, select the ebook from your device and actually do go on to using that. Supposing this is the ebook right here, I'm just going to select that, click on open, and that ebook will be added. If I do click on begin upload, that will actually be uploaded on this platform. So take a look at this right now. You can actually see right now guys that this has actually been uploaded. I can just simply click on copy link, head back to that my URL file locker and paste in that link right here. So once you do this right now, you can actually go on to editing other section based on your preference. And once you are actually done, you want to come right here, click on save, and your URL file locker will actually get created right now. Click on get link, copy the link to your URL file locker and create a simple landing page for that using this particular website called the Google site. So if I do come right here, click on this plus icon, I'm just going to go on to creating a simple URL file locker for this. Now to do so right here guys, I'm actually going to come right now and actually go on to paste in the title for this particular book. Or I can actually go on to maybe putting in a very cool title right here. So once I do come right here and edit this section based on my preference, I'm going to put in something like keto cookbook. So once I do change this to something like this, I'm going to make this bold and actually go on to stretching this to this section and also this right here to this section. So you can see how cool this actually looks like. I can actually change the background image by coming right here, click on select, and I can go on to selecting one for online from this section. So if I do search for something like keto right now, I will be able to see some images related to that, and I can just simply select one. Supposing I do select this, click on select, that will actually be added as the background image of this section once this successfully goes on to loading up. But what you want to do next is to actually go on to clicking image icon. You want to go simply go on to uploading an image, and the image which we are actually going to be uploading will be that particular image for this particular cookbook right now, which we just downloaded. So if I actually do head back to actually get that image, you can see that this is the image right here. If I right click on the image, I'm going to save the image on my device. So once that image has actually been saved, I'm going to go back to my landing page builder site, click on upload, and actually go on to uploading that right here. So once I do select that, you can see that has actually been uploaded. I'm going to click on text box right now and actually go on to copying some details about that particular ebook. So if I come right here, maybe I'm going to click on that ebook section again to actually go on to seeing some details about the ebook. So if you can't actually get some details right here, all you actually need to do is to just simply copy the title and then head back to your landing page builder site, and right here I'm going to paste in that particular text in there. So when that text has actually been pasted, right, as you can see right now, I'm actually going to go simply drag this particular section right now and add that to this section. When that has been added, I can actually go on to increasing the font size right now. So let me say something like 24, and once that has been increased, maybe I'm going to take that to something like 30 right now. When this has actually been increased right here, I'm just going to come right now and actually add in a button. And for me to add in a button, I could just simply come right here, or I'm just going to put in something like click here to download. Once I put in something like this, I'm going to highlight this particular text. When that has actually been highlighted, I'm just going to go on to adding in a link. And now this link which I'm going to add will be the link to my URL file locker. If I copy that link, head back to that particular page right now, and I'm just going to come right here and paste in that. So if I do click on apply, that will actually be done. So when somebody actually do click on click here, it's automatically going to take them to my URL file locker, which they actually need to complete an offer to gain access to this ebook. So next, you want to just simply go on to publishing the page, and I'm just going to publish it something related to that particular ebook right now. So right now I actually do put this keto cookbook right here and step, and if I do click on publish, this page will be published, which I can actually do click on this link and get the link to this particular page right now. So once you actually do get this, to actually go to driving traffic to this on this platform called Pinterest, you actually need to actually go on to getting a very cool and attractive post or pin, which you want to just simply go on to using, and you can actually do go on to getting that for absolutely free using a simple platform. So basically guys, you want to come onto platforms like Pixels and search for the keto diet right here, and make sure you're on the video section, and you'll be able to see some cool videos which you can actually do go on to downloading right now. Supposing I want to use this, I'm just going to click on this download icon, and it's actually going to be downloaded on my device. So once that has been downloaded, I can just simply come right here and add to this platform called canva.com and actually do go on to maybe searching for the Pinterest pin. Because once you actually do search for that right now, you'll be able to see a lot of templates which you could go on to using. I'm just going to go on to clicking on create blank. So guys, you can see I'm brought to a page similar to this. I'm just going to come right here, click on upload, and actually going to uploading that particular video which I just downloaded. You can see the video right here. This is actually the cool video. If I click on that, click on open, the video will actually begin to get uploaded on this particular platform. And I do have another video right here. Supposing I do click on the video and I do want to just simply use this one right here, I'm just going to go on to stretching this to this section and also stretching this to this section to make the video actually fit in properly. So once the video do fit in, I'm just going to go onto the text section and actually do add in a header. So for this right here, I could just simply click put in something like this, which actually says click link to download recipe. I can actually do go onto the element section. So look at this right now. Once you actually do this right here and actually add in a text such as this, you want to just simply download it by clicking on share, click on this download icon and actually download this on your device. Once this has actually been downloaded, head on to Pinterest right here, And you want to then just simply come right here, click on create pin, and actually do go on to uploading that particular video right here on Pinterest. Because it's actually going to be an eye-catchy video, a lot of people will be interested in that. So what you want to do is you just simply click on this section and upload that particular video. The video right now, this is how it's going to look like right here. You want to give it a simple and cool title right now related to that particular niche. If you do put in a cool title, add in a cool description. For the tags, you could add in tags such as keto diet and tags related to keto diet. For this destination link, this is where you're actually going to paste in the link to your landing page, which you actually did create. So if I do head back to my landing page right here, copy the link by clicking on this section. I'm just going to go on to pasting that right in that particular section. So if I head back to Pinterest and paste that in right there, you can see that this has actually been pasted. You could use this simple strategy, or you could actually do go on to maybe shortening this link using any link shortener website, and you can actually do go on to publishing this on this platform and get some cool traffic to this. So this is a very simple strategy which you can actually do use to make money with CPA marketing, because once you actually do get a lot of traffic to this right now, you can actually go on to making some cool cash right here, because Pinterest gets a lot of visits. And it is quite advisable that if you are actually promoting simple marketing, CPA marketing offers alone, you just simply focus on maybe promoting offers to the United States right here and getting traffic from that particular demographic to make money online. So if you do use this strategy and be consistent with this and post about 2 to 3 times every single day, I assure you guys that if you're consistent, you will actually go on to making some cool cash with this even as a beginner. And that's it for now. If you do have any question, leave that in the comment section below. Thank you all for watching. See you all in my next video, and goodbye.